Hi everyone, Quantum here. Today's video is about Smart Launcher in Niagara Launcher Dark Setup. I will show how to set this up in a very easy way even if you're a beginner. But before that, make sure to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe for more setups like this. First, you need to install these apps. Moving on, open the Smart Launcher and set as your default launcher. The wallpaper that I used in this setup is in the description below. Remove the default widget and icons in home screen. Remove the search bar also. Open the launcher settings. Go to Global Appearance, then click the Edit theme. Turn on the blur effect, but you will enable this setting if you purchase the premium version of the app. Back to previous settings, click the icon appearance and let's change the icon pack. Choose the minimal white icon. Back to previous again, let's change the grid properties. Decrease the icon size to 48 dp. Now, let's add widget. Find and choose the kwgt. Resize the blank widget like this. And add another widget to the bottom of screen. This widget is for the music player, so resize it like this. Click the blank widget at the top. Choose the vanilla widget and find the widget named Vanilla 170. Then click the save icon. Now click the second blank widget at the bottom. Choose the Mini Music Player widget and find the widget named Mini Music 065. And then click Save. Widgets are done. Now add your favorite apps in home screen. You can change the grid properties of the screen by columns and rows. And add more apps in home screen. And now you have a Smart Launcher Dark setup. Let's proceed to Niagara Launcher setup. Install the following apps first. Open Niagara Launcher. Add your favorite apps. And get rid of these notifications. You can hide your unused apps here. Now go to Settings and let's make changes. Go to Look and change the icon pack. Choose GIPS icon pack, and then decrease the icon size like this. You can choose your fonts, and hide the status bar if you purchase the premium version. Now go to Features and pay attention to Settings. Remove the default clock and calendar. Then let's add our custom widget. Choose 4x4 kwgt. Long press the blank widget and move it by clicking Resize. Move it to the top and click it to add our custom clock. Choose the Mini ISM widget and find the minimal 041. Resize it by doing this. Now go to Items and click the Stack group. Reposition it to the left. Don't forget to click Save. Last thing, let's add shortcut button. Go to Settings again. Select Features. And enable the Niagara button. With this button you can set up your shortcut, such as launcher actions, open an app and more. But for me, I use this for a Greenify app shortcut. With this app you can see the apps that's running in background and secretly draining your battery, and you can hibernate these apps that you don't need. And that's it. Hope you like these setups. If you want more, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to keep you updated with my videos. Thanks for watching, keep stirring.